on gold USD. So this is going to be a forecast video on the 21st of April, and I just want to go through some things that I got marked out on my chart on the 4-hour. So a clear trend line to the upside. Price then broke this trend line, creating the supply zone here. When we see trend lines breaking, it's just an indication that price wants to go down, but we need more than that. We do in the supply zone, which is quite nice. This trend line here only broke when this candle closed below it. All these wicks here, according to our protocols, trend line is only broken once candles have closed below this trend line. So only here can we draw in. Once this candle here closes, can we draw in the supply zone here. Let's go to the 1-hour chart and see what's happening. We had a downward trend line which was removed by this explosive move candle. This demand zone here was created because we had a clear basing and an explosive move away. We then had the opportunity to draw in this supply here when this gap zone here occurred over the weekend, but it also removed this demand zone here. So we drew in the supply here once this demand zone was taken out. What I like about this zone here is that we see that price wants to go down on the 4-hour, and this 1-hour supply overlaps the 4-hour supply as well. So this area here, the supply zone, overlaps this here. So that's a high probability and an odds booster where supply zones or demand zones overlap each other on different time frames. It's multiple sequence analysis, and we'll go through more of that on our Discord and stuff. So basically, I like this area here because price is creating liquidity, and all we want price to do is tap into this zone here, and we can take a 1 to 2 entries here, stop loss on above, and take profit here below. So that's what I see. What's going on gold. Just a quick coach here that I'd like to talk about here. Gold doesn't care about your stop loss. It only respects levels. Trade like it. Let's trade like gold. Let's react from supply zones, demand zones, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Here's my screenshot of my link tree. We got a free playbook, and you can check us out on Instagram as well. And if you need more information about this, you can send me a DM on Instagram, and we can chat there. I reply to all comments. Cheers.